Welcome back to Week 6 of Operation Football.
All right, let's get right back to the highlights, shall we? Thurgood Marshall taking on Meadowdale tonight down at Welcome Stadium. First quarter, Marshall on the move. Tevon Crisp runs for 8 yards, and then it's Crisp for 4 more. What about that hard run? On the very next play, though, it's Denzel Norville busting loose, and he'll take it to the house for a touchdown. Later for the Cougars, Tevon Crisp. This time he's going to pick up 6 yards on the carry. This sets up another touchdown. Michael Ferguson. And how about that? Thurgood Marshall out in front, 27-0. Playing hide the ball, it's Braylon Cosby taking it to the 2-yard line. The drive will end when this Denzel Norville goes into the end zone for the touchdown. Thurgood Marshall defeats Meadowdale tonight, 58-20.
Our final stop, Valley View at BELLBROOK. Second half action, Hunter Williams for Valley View scrambling, but he's going to be taken down by the Golden Eagles. Then the Eagles come back with this pass to Steve Rasso, and he's going to pick up some nice yards, but then BELLBROOK is going to have to punt the ball. But it's a good punt, and it's going to go out of bounds at the 1 yard line. Well, it's going to be downed at the 1 yard line, and that helps because the Eagles will come up with this big play as they sack Valley View's quarterback. That's a safety. Yes, it is. Next, though, Valley View going to go into their bag of tricks. Look at this little razzle-dazzle, but it's not going to come to any fruition because the pass is going to be picked off by BELLBROOK, and that's going to lead to another score as BELLBROOK goes in for the touchdown. BELLBROOK wins this one 16-7 over Valley View.
How about us giving punters a little love tonight? They need that. Well, we've shown you a lot of great highlights this evening, but only one can stand on its own as our big play of the night. And for that, we're heading back to warm and cheerful Centerville. The Elks taking on the Fairmont Firebirds. And how about this effort by Centerville running back Dan McCoy, or as Hutch calls him, the real McCoy. He'll cut all the way across the field and watch him go to the end zone, diving in, airborne, but they say he stepped out at the 3. Come on, Rev. They'd score a few plays later. Centerville wins, and McCoy comes up with our big play of the night.
I've interviewed Dan. He's a nice young man.
He's a good kid, and a good win for Centerville tonight. Thanks for joining us. All the highlights on the web. Good night.